Hi friend, welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through as a day trader who find it difficult to survive. Day trading is a popularly trading style because it's a fast-paced trading approach which everybody likes to use in order to make money every day. But so many young traders failed. 99% of day traders fail because some of them don't know the strategy to use. It's better you have one strategy, maintain it for years than moving up and down looking for strategy that doesn't work. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through step-by-step guide on how to become a profitable trader with this simple trading strategy that I've been using for years. So stay tuned. So we are starting with a simple term but very effective. So they just multiple time frame analysis, but I use it mostly in every instrument I'm trading. So this is just rejection in swing low. So whenever I find this rejection is swing low, it is a daily time frame. This is USD Canadian dollar. This rejection, this is a pin bar in daily time frame on a swing low. That shows you that shift in momentum. So what calls for your attention whenever you saw a pin bar is just to go down to 4-hour time frame to see what happens. So this is the reaction in the 4-hour time frame. So if you can notice, if you can observe something, there is change of momentum at this point. Do you find what I'm saying? So this change of momentum we brought to your attention because you need what we call you to the market. That's the reason for multiple time frame analysis. So now this is my 4-hour. I find a good rejection. This mini supply zone has been shift. So what happens here? This is the supply zone that I'm in. I shifted, but not yet. So my attention was here. My attention should be at this zone. Sorry, my attention should be at this very high here. So once it's clear out, I'm taking it up to 1-hour time frame. It's a low rejection, lifty grab going on. So very good side. So this place are totally broken out. So let me go to 1-hour time frame to know if there is any good entry for me to be in the market. Good one. So look at what happened here. You saw what happened. So if this calls out, I'll place my stop loss on this candle here and do what? Take it. This should be my first take profit. My first take profit should be at this zone, this very zone here. That's the first one. Then the second one should be here, this very zone here. You get the point. So that's how to develop a strategy with this simple. Is very effective. So let's see what happens in future. A first take profit and this second take profit. So let me make it this way. First take profit. So remember, if you're getting a value from what I'm showing you now, remember to subscribe, follow my forex journey. Let's grow up this community together. Okay, first take profit. That's a good one. Well, it's still waiting for it. First take profit. So that's how I develop a trading strategy using pin bar in higher time frame, daily time frame. Once you saw a rejection in a swing low, just go to 4-hour time frame, first take profit, killed out. We're waiting for second take profit to know how effective. So that's how to trade. So remember to subscribe, follow the forex journey. That's a simple strategy anyone can develop on. Just keep your eye on that swing low. Whenever you find it, just go to lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, break it down to 1 hour, 15 minutes. Anywhere you find your entry, you take it out. So I'm not scared about what I'm saying yet, but if my first take profit has been push money into my trading account, I should have patience for the second one too. So that's the break even when you apply break even. That's a lost trade, but still yet on the game. Still yet moving on. So let's see what happens. You know what the future brings for us. Let's fast forward it. Let's fast forward it a little bit. Wow, trade one. That's it. So, friend, that's it. The trade is one. You can subscribe for more. See you guys. Bye for now.